Here are 5 red flags that you should be aware of when picking an estate planning attorney. Let's talk about it. Number 1, they charge by the hour. Honestly, the firm should charge you flat fee so that you know exactly what you're getting into. If they're charging by the hour for drafting work, you may end up in a situation where you pay way more than you need to for the work. Number 2, they do not include funding. Funding your trust is one of the most important aspects of having a trust. Otherwise, you've just paid for a really expensive paperweight. You want to make sure that title to your assets have been transferred, especially if your largest asset is your home. That trust that you pay for should include the transfer of your deed, at least your primary deed, into that trust. If it doesn't, big red flag. Number 3, they should do follow-up because laws change, your family changes, your circumstances change. There should be some process for follow-up. In our firm, we do a client maintenance package that allows for constant communication as well as follow-up and updates, and it keeps it affordable for our clients.
Number 4, they don't ask you any questions about your goals or your family structure, and they just do balance sheet estate planning based on how much money you have. If they are asking you and telling you that you don't have enough money for a trust and you have minor kids, or you have a life insurance policy, or you have a home, or any of those things, run. Because a trust avoids court interference, it can protect assets for kids, it can provide asset protection, it can provide divorce protection. So if they're telling you you don't have enough for a trust, run.
Number 5, y'all, a big red flag, and the final red flag when picking an estate planning attorney, if they can't synthesize the information for you, right? If they can't break it down and make it understandable for you, then they likely don't understand it enough themselves. There is a big difference between estate planning and intergenerational wealth planning attorneys who do multi-generational work and those that do simple wills and probate avoidance trusts. But if you want comprehensive planning that is tailored to your family, they need to be able to explain how that works. And if they can't, then that's a red flag. I'm Portia Wood, your favorite generational wealth planning attorney. Come and join us here. Follow us at the Black Trust Fund Kids, where we are normalizing and changing Join us here at the Black Trust Fund Kids, where we are normalizing intergenerational wealth in Black and Brown communities and with women. Because though we have been historically left out of the conversation, we are taking control and agency over our own lives and our own legacies with comprehensive estate planning. And our community over at the Black Trust Fund Kids is providing free educational resources to get you started. So head on over there and join us today.